In this lesson, we'll learn how to calculate the payment amount for a loan. So let's say we have our loan amount of $450,000. We've got an annual rate of 4.75%. The month rate is just the annual rate divided by 12. We've got a 25-year term, and the number of months is just 25 years times 12 months in a year. So we have 300 months to pay off this loan. And what we want to find out is what the monthly payment will be for a loan given these pieces of information. So we're going to go to the financial functions within the formulas tab. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find the PMT, which is the payment function. And when you select that function, we have our function arguments window that pops up. And the first piece of information that we need is the rate. Now the rate is the interest rate per period of the loan. So if the annual rate is 4.75%, we need to divide that by 12 to get the monthly rate, or we could just select the monthly rate because it's already calculated for us here. But it's important to remember that the rate that's being asked for is the interest rate per period of the loan. So if we've got monthly payments, we want to know what that monthly rate is. So for this example, I'm going to choose C5 and divide it by 12 within the formula itself. The next piece of information is N per. N per is the total number of payments for the loan. And again, we have a choice here. We can either select C7 and multiply by 12 to get 300, or because 300 is already here for us, we could just select C8, and we know that that's the total number of payments that we're going to be making on the loan. The next piece of information is PV, which stands for present value, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. Basically, this means what is the loan amount? And in our case, the loan amount is here. It's $450,000. We're going to choose C4 as our loan amount. Now you'll see in the window, we'll have the result is given to us of what this formula will yield if we click OK. And we notice that that's a negative number. Excel does this for accounting purposes. When money is going out, it's designated as a negative number. So if we want our formula result to be positive, all we need to do is change the PV, or the present value, to a negative number within the formula itself, and then the formula result will now be a positive number. Click OK. And our monthly payment appears here in cell C9. And you can see the payment information here within the formula bar. This is the formula or the function that we use to determine that monthly payment. And because we use cell references, if any of this information changes, the monthly payment amount will change as well. So if we change the loan amount to $500,000, then the monthly payment updates accordingly. And that concludes our lesson on calculating a payment amount for a loan.